Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Dear Tanmay. Today I'm super excited to bring you an unboxing of one of the best affordable tech gadget for 2025. It is amazing that still it is available in the market, the OnePlus Pad Go base model. And that's not all, I'm also checking out two amazing accessories that complete the package: a premium glass screen protector and a folio case, both from Amazon India. Definitely, let's dive in. The OnePlus Go is a budget-friendly tablet designed for everyday tasks. It features an 11.35 inches IPS LCD display. Yes, IPS LCD display with a 2.4K resolution, MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, 8 GB of RAM, and 8000 mAh battery that supports fast charging. Yes, in this budget. This device is perfect for media consumption, casual gaming, and managing daily productivity. So if you say about key points to mention, it has sleek design with thin bezels and very heavy. So before buying, keep it in mind, it is really heavy. Ideal for both work and entertainment, definitely, without breaking your bank. Let's unbox it together. Here's the box. As it comes from the OnePlus official website. Yes, I bought from there. Opening it up, we first see the tablet itself, the charger, and charging cable. Yeah, right after the tablet we found two additional goodies: this high quality glass screen protector and a sleek folio case that I ordered from Amazon India. Both are designed to protect and enhance your device usability. Let's talk about these accessories little bit in brief. The glass screen protector available on Amazon India. नीचे लिंक दिया हुआ है, एफिलिएट नहीं है, लेकिन आप खरीद सकते हो. By the way, बस बोल दिया आपको. It's clarity while keeping scratches and smudge at bay. It fits perfectly on the OnePlus Pad Go screen and maintains touch sensitivity perfectly. And the folio case is not only stylish but also provides robust protection, and it has a secure magnetic closure and is designed to stand up a daily use without adding bulk. Yes, it's sleek and very useful, not very heavy. After using the OnePlus Pad Go for a few days, here's what I love. It handles everyday tasks effortlessly, and its battery life is impressive. As I told, 8000 mAh battery for a device in this price range. Whether I am streaming videos, browsing, or managing my schedule, it's a reliable companion. The accessories further enhance the experience with the screen protector. I never worry about accidental scratches, and the folio case that adds a touch of elegance while protecting the device during travel. Yes, a few days ago मैं शांतिनिकेतन गया था और it's amazing worked. So there you have it, my unboxing and first impression of the OnePlus Pad Go, and it is must-have accessories for me for right now. If you are looking for affordable tech that does not compromise on quality, this is definitely worth considering. So that's it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and productivity tips. Let me know in the comment what your favorite affordable tech gadget is for 2025. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.